What if you could connect and harmonize all your marketing data from all your sources into one place? What if you could connect that marketing data with the other data throughout your organization, like financial, inventory, and product? And what if you could analyze all that data together? You could go beyond just marketing data and transform your business's analytics with cross-organizational insights that drive budget efficiency and growth. With Datorama and Tableau working together, this isn't just possible, it's easy. It starts with your marketing data. Datorama was built specifically to collect all your constantly changing marketing and media datasets, no matter the source or format, and automatically harmonize them into a unified data model. Once your data is ready for analysis, you can then integrate with Tableau, connecting all that data with the other business-critical data inside your organization, so you can dive deeper than ever before, revealing insights that are only possible with a truly end-to-end view of performance. For instance, you can get real-time updates from inventory, so you can alter campaigns to move high-supply products in real time. You can also tell inventory where your next campaign is headed, allowing them to stock up and get ready for demand. And did we mention the visualizations? With Tableau, they're easy to create and even easier to share, so anyone in your organization, analyst or not, can explore your integrated marketing data and discover transformational insights. It's time to bring your marketing intelligence and business intelligence together with Datorama and Tableau.